Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vira. In this video, I will show you how to power off on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, I wanna turn off this phone. The classical way is to push long on the power button like this. But you can see this method doesn't work, and the right way to turn off this phone is to push and hold volume up and power button together like this. Yep. And now you can power off your phone very easy. If you want to power off, you can power off or reboot. Okay, next you can power off your phone with the classical way is to push long on the power button like this. But you must to activate the setting first. First thing first, open your settings menu and then go to additional settings, click it. Next you open gesture shortcuts. Next you open launch digital assistant, click it. And these options, press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds. You click disable like this. And we're done. Time to result. I will power off with the classical way is to push long on the power button like this. And successfully you can power off or reboot your phone. I will power off like this. Yep, successfully, and your phone is turned off. And to power on or turn on, you can push long on the power button too like this. And your phone already turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.